guys, we're going to harvest some
eggplant.
Okay, you go there.
Okay, mommy.
Baby is going to harvest some eggplants. Okay, you that one, the other one, baby.
What?
Ready? 1, 2. There.
A big. Oh, it's wet.
Yeah, oh, yeah, because we watered it. And then there's more here. See? Ready?
It's wet.
There. Grab it.
It's wet.
It's okay. Kuya just water it. We wash it. Okay.
Okay.
And then there's another one here.
Wow.
Oh, that's big. See? Ready?
It's like daddy.
Yeah.
I can't.
Big like daddy.
It's like daddy's tummy.
Okay. So we can cook.
Yeah.
We mix it with, we want some egg.
And no put egg here.
You don't want egg in the, there, grab some. See? There. See? And then,
See?
let's go to the other side. I think there's more in here, anak. Yeah, this one is ready. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2. There. Okay. There's
Some more.
some more. Oh, lots of mosquitoes na. There's here. Okay, there. Alright. Pick this up, please. This one.
We can.
See?
It's too dirty.
Oh boy, you're so picky, hey? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fresh. Nice and fresh.
You put-
Nice and fresh. See? How about some beans? We can check.
Yes, I have beans.
Yeah, and then there's more in there, but I only... Oh, there's big here.
I chewed, mommy.
Uh-oh, you toot. I
Yes.
didn't hear it. There. Okay, this is a bigger one. And, oh.
Wow.
Okay, I think this is. We go harvest some white eggplant there.
Eggplant.
Yeah. Let's go check out some oh, look at that. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
There's one.
Okay.
Ay, ayan, dalawa na oh. There's a small one there, but I don't think that one will live.
Now nice.
Nice planted. Okay, look at the white eggplants.
What?
The ivory. You okay? Lots of mosquitoes, eh?
Can this two and
Yeah.
1, 2,
Yeah,
3,
we'll just...
4.
Okay,
It's
you ready?
Yes.
I'll be a few here. 1, 2. 1, 2.
1, 2.
There.
Sound like fun to
We
me.
harvest the 3 ones.
Yay!
It's okay, it's just soil. There.
Ew, yucky.
It's okay, we can wash it good. There.
Ew.
See?
Yay!
You have a
Wait, there's
assorted
one
eggplant
more.
harvest. Think that's it, eh? This one is too tiny.
Yes.
Yeah, we can wait.
I want this one.
No, it's small, baby.
Mm.
Okay, let's go and grab some beans. Oh, how about this kind? Oh, there's one here.
It's stinky, mommy.
How about this one?
It's stinky.
What is stinky?
That bill comes from.
Oh, it's the soil that's stinky. There's another variety here, see? Smaller ones. Oh, namamatay na sila yung aming talong, guys. I don't know. And here we are. One there. Ayan. Isang variety naman to. Masarap din to. Tapos ang sipag mamunga. Ayan. Ah, okay, let's go.
Howie.
Oh yeah, lots of mosquitoes, baby. It's just time of the year. Okay, let's go and get some beans too.
Yay! Hold it.
Want to hold it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Go and check some beans.
Okay. It's in the garden.
Meron pang ano dito. Oh. There's more potato. Here, like cabbage. Pwede pa yan.
Some beans.
Kinakain na ng bugs.
Some
Oh,
beans.
we have lots of tomatoes inside. I'll just grab one. Yeah, this is a sweet tomato. There.
You put in the pocket.
Yeah, I put in there.
In the white.
I think there's more here, baby.
Mommy, you put
There's one there.
you
See?
put the white pocket
Yeah. There, see?
inside. Give to me.
Okay. Right. Come on. Let's go and...
Get
There's
something.
one squash here too.
What?
Oh, look at that. See? It's big now.
It's like daddy.
Yeah, there's a pumpkin squash.
It's like daddy's tummy.
Oh, yeah. It's big, eh? Okay, ito yung harvest natin.
Be careful.
Miss this. I know, eh? Look at the beans.
Ooh, there's a ladybug.
Yeah, they are protecting the plants.
What happened to the ladybug?
Yeah, we harvest some, okay? There.
Give it to me.
Give it to you. We'll put this one too. There we go. Okay, we have a few here. We need to be harvest. Oh, grabe itong lamok. Yan yung ano. Ano ba yan?
That's you.
Asparagus.
That's you, mommy.
Yeah. There.
Give to me.
There. Beans. Bagyo beans. Sitting beans. Yan. Maganda to dahil hindi niya kailangan ng trellis. Hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng kanyang ano, pag-akyat.
Get all the beans, mommy.
Yeah, it's hot, eh? It's hot today.
No.
It's 29 degrees. There. After the big rain, it's hot na. Okay, ayan na guys, yung beans. Ayan. Okay. What will you gonna say? You say goodbye?
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Hey, you need to see the camera. What happened to her? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.